To enable dark mode on LinkedIn, start by opening the App Store on your device. Once the App Store is open, locate the search button at the bottom of the screen and click on it. This will take you to a search bar where you can type in LinkedIn to find the LinkedIn job search app. Download and install the app. Then locate it on your device and open it. Log into your LinkedIn account. And once you're logged in, you'll see a row of options at the bottom of the screen, including Home, My Network, Posts, Notifications, and Jobs. Click on the profile icon, also known as the Me icon, at the top of the page. Then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, click on Settings and Privacy, then Account Preferences. Under the Display section, you'll see the option to switch to dark mode. Simply click on dark mode to activate it, and your LinkedIn page will switch to a black background. If you find that dark mode is more comfortable for your eyes, you can leave it on. Otherwise, you can switch back to light mode at any time.